I'm going to tell you something. Last year, I made over $150,000 as a side business making little hand-drawn videos. And I did it on technology that cost me in total less than $1,500. Now that is a good business. And that is exactly what I want to share with you in this lesson series. I'm Dan Rome. Over the last 7 years, I've had an opportunity to write 4 business books that have all ended up becoming international bestsellers, and all of them are about the power of our visual mind. Which means that in essence, what I really do is I train people like you, business people, to help discover ideas more quickly, develop those ideas really, really fast, and then share those ideas with other people using our visual minds. If we're the kind of people who need to sell something, or market something, or share something, or communicate any idea online, it's going to be very useful for us to be able to make hand-drawn videos. They're just magnetic the way people watch them. So I invite you to join me as we spend the next several sessions learning step-by-step exactly how to make these hand-drawn videos, and it's going to be far easier than you might expect, and the impact is going to be far greater than you expect. This is actually going to be pretty cool. Why don't you join me?